I have some bad news coming out of the United States. Now, I know I hate bad news, but you have to understand how crazy your government is right now. Like what they're saying right now is out of control. We have Elizabeth Warren, who is a senator of the United States, the scumbag you pay taxes to. What she is saying is that crypto is funding bad people. You know what I mean? So, with that said, which is really interesting why she hates crypto so much. And you have to wonder why all of these companies and why all this money is flying overseas for a safe haven from the US. It sucks. Okay, here's some interesting facts that you might want to know about Elizabeth Warren to make you understand. I get it now. First off, her net worth is $73 million. How did she get $73 million when her salary only pays her $285,000? Interesting. Well, we can tell you right now. Senator Elizabeth Warren has become one of the few politicians accepting record donations from Wall Street. And this is probably why she has close to $75 million in the bank, probably a little more now because she's been poo-pooing on crypto and she's going to continue doing this. And so, you know what's interesting is that I was on a Twitter Spaces yesterday with Mario Norfall and a couple other guys, right? And they were talking about this and people are like, well, we have to fight back. Well, guys, we are already fighting back. We have DEXs, we have decentralized exchanges that allow peer-to-peer transactions without any permission. Perfect. We have coin mixers. We have a lot of different things like cold storage, hardware wallets. So it's really interesting what we have now, how we have been fighting back. Voting is not going to help, as you know by now, and these people are going to continue to hate on crypto because it makes the small person, the layman, you know, like me or whatever, wealthy enough to escape the rat race, which is what they hate. Because if somebody escapes the rat race, they're not going to be able to, or they're not going to go to a bank and take out a loan, which banks want because they want to do fractional reserve banking. And they're not going to be able to do that with people that have woken up to this total scam called the banking system. And that's just their fault. You know, they've screwed us over long enough. And so now we're kind of taking back the power. And it's nice to see that. Lastly, we have Senator Cynthia Loomis. Remember her? She's that pro Bitcoin. Yeah, she's a pro crypto girl, right? This woman, she tried to release a pro crypto bill in the US. Well, now I literally couldn't believe my eyes, but I mean, what more can you expect from a politician? She has asked the Department of Justice to criminally charge Binance and Tether. So she wants the law to really, you know, kick crypto in the butt. This is why you should always ignore politicians that are pro crypto, because their loyalties at the very end of the day are pro government. That's all I have. Please like and subscribe. If you want to see how to protect your coins, how we are making a killing at the beginning of this bull market, check us down below. The link is below for learningcrypto.com. I don't think you'll be disappointed. Talk to you soon.